Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Gemini Live on desktop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So basically today I'm going to go ahead and be showing you on your mobile device, but it works exactly the same for your desktop as well. I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step on how to get in desktop, but it's going to work the same. So you can see this is going to be the home main page of Gemini once you open it up. So to use Gemini Live on your desktop, you're going to use the Gemini in the Chrome side panel. So you want to ensure you have the latest version of Google Chrome installed and click the Gemini in the Chrome icon guys that looks like a glowing star that is located at the top of your browser near your profile picture. This is how Gemini is going to look in the latest version of Google Chrome, and then you're going to be able to click the Go Live option. And what is the Go Live option? This is right here next to the microphone. As you can see, you can get started inputting your prompts on the main page, and you have the microphone as well. Next to it, you have the three lines. This is the live section. This is going to enable you to go live with Gemini and works the same exactly on desktop. So on desktop, just go ahead and open up the exactly same button, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and confirm right here that you want to go live with Gemini and you want to go ahead and start talking to it. You can also go ahead and use the Gemini desktop application. You can download it. So basically get it from the Windows Store, download Gemini and open it up the exact way I just explained to you. Click on the live button, start talking to it, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.